mobile app developer charges $15,000 and it takes them month to build the apps. I'm about to do the same in under 5 minutes with single sentence. If you come to this site called as rock.com, here you can just you need to sign up and you can see the user interface. It is similar to ChatGPT and you can build your app or whatever you want. So here you need to describe the prompt. So I already have my prompt, and what I will do is I will just paste the prompt here. So for now it is this one. And here if you have anything for the reference, like let's go with the minimal UI and let's provide some reference. Okay, so I would like to go with this one and I will copy the image from here and paste it, and from here hit the go button. Now all you need to do is just wait and AI will do the thing for you. Okay, and it's done. As you can see, the AI is super cool and the UI is really great. So we have the search tab, we have the save button and everything. And yeah, the trend is currently fully accurate, I can say. And the best thing is you can just scan this QR code and you can use it on your mobile phones. So if you like this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Until then, see you. Bye bye. Thank you.